as far as shipping goes, but that's alright. Limited football, guys. Good luck. We'll crack this open. We'll pick out 5. This is limited from last night, Thursday night. Then tonight we'll do a case of NT Hockey. We'll do a full case NT Hockey, and we'll do a couple of boxes of Totally Certified Basketball tonight. Left, middle, right. Which 5 should we do? Left, middle, or right? Any thoughts? All right, we'll go with the right. Good luck, guys. Limited football today. Good luck. First, you've got $3.99 at Julius Thomas, Denver Broncos. $3.99. Next, you got $3.99 for the Raiders, Matt Schaub. Matt Schaub for the Raiders. Next, you got a parallel to 49 at Colts, Andrew Luck. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Then we got dual jerseys. Dual jerseys for the Jaguars to 99. Blake Bortles and Allen Robinson, excuse me. Blake Bortles, Allen Robinson, dual to 99 for the Jaguars. Bortles, Allen Robinson. Next, you've got a rookie auto, or excuse me, not a rookie auto, a limited ink to 50. Limited ink, number to 50 for the Dolphins, Pat Devlin. Pat Devlin, Miami Dolphins, number to 50. And you've got a two-colored patch card to 99. Two-colored jumbo patch, 99. Vikings, Teddy Bridgewater. Teddy Bridgewater, Minnesota Vikings to 99. Two-colored patch. Box 3. Box number 3. I said box 3. Box 2, I mean, you've got Dolphins, no Sean Moreno. You've got Ryan Tannehill, $3.99. Dolphins again. Then you've got to 25, Seahawks, Russell Wilson. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks, 25. You've got a rookie auto to 99, Green Bay Packers. Rajon Neal. Packers, Rajon Neal. Green Bay Packers to 99. Got 225 for the Minnesota Vikings. David Yankee. David Yankee. Minnesota Vikings to 25. And you've got a dual jersey to 99 for the Cincinnati Bengals. To 99. A.J. McCarron's Jeremy Hill. A.J. McCarron's Jeremy Hill to 99. Box number 3. Box 3 with an extra hit. Panthers, $3.99. D'Angelo Williams. Got Chargers, Phillip Rivers, $3.99. Then you've got a triple jersey to 75. So we might have to randomize this one. Triple to 75. Running backs, Jeremy Hill for the Bengals. Bishop Sankey. Titans, Trey Mason for the Rams. Bengals, Titans, Rams. Jeremy Hill, Bishop Sankey, Trey Mason. Then you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4-colored rookie auto patch to 99 for the Bucks. Mike Evans. Mike Evans to 99 for the Tampa Bay Bucks. Mike Evans. Then you've got a rookie limited ink. He's in one jersey, however, it's going to go to another. Number 25, New England Patriots, Tyler Gaffney. Tyler Gaffney, Carolina Panthers, number 25. Tyler Gaffney. Then you've got a limited threads. I'll grab some more penny sleeves. Limited threads, Dallas Cowboys to 99, Tony Romo. Tony Romo, Dallas Cowboys to 99. Box number 4. Chiefs, $3.99, Alex Smith. You get a $3.99 Russell Wilson. Let's see how. Got number $2.99 for that Cleveland Browns. $2.99, Joe Hayden. Cleveland Browns, Joe Hayden for 99. Got a rookie auto to 99. Arizona Cardinals, Deon Buchanan. Arizona Cardinals, Deon Buchanan. Then you've got a nice 2-colored rookie auto patch to 199. San Francisco 49ers, Carlos Hyde. Carlos Hyde. San Francisco 49ers. Box number 5, and then that'll do it this afternoon. We'll get this stuff to the post office. We'll see you guys in a couple hours tonight. Atlanta Falcon, Matt Ryan, $3.99. Got a Ryan Matthews, $3.99. Chargers. Got a game day jersey to 99. Chiefs, Justin Houston. Chiefs, Justin Houston. Then you've got $2.99 for the Minnesota Vikings. Anthony Barr. Anthony Barr. Minnesota Vikings to 99. And a 4-colored rookie auto patch, $1.99. For the Bucks, Austin Severn Jenkins. Austin Severn Jenkins for the Bucks to 199. Severn Jenkins. So that finishes our limited football. Let me grab that triple out and see who's got those. See if anyone's got 2 of those. Bengals are by themselves. Titans by themselves. So we'll randomize that one. All right. We've got the Bengals, Titans, and the Rams. Bengals, Titans, Rams. Good luck, guys. Once with the Bengals, twice with the Titans, and the third time you have got Tennessee Titans on that, and Bishop Sankey. Tennessee Titans, Bishop Sankey, working on that. So with that, we'll hop off, get this stuff over to YouTube, and we'll see you guys tonight.